Look around, honey. High and low. High up. High means high. You gotta look up high to find things too. A Parker egg. You gonna put that one in here? And a Dylan egg. Is that one empty?
None of them are empty.
Huh?
Or all have some in it.
Well, Dylan, let's look then. That one had fruit snacks in it. Here, put it in here. We'll have them later. We can eat those snacks later, Ben. There we go. Okay, we gotta keep looking.
Maybe by the windows.
You found more? Did you find a Parker egg there too? Let's see what's in this one. What is that?
Oh, blue!
It's a blue one. Okay, let's put it in with the rest of your candy though. Is that a Parker egg? That's a Parker one, babe. There's nothing in it. Just for him to help find. Good job.
Mama.
Remember, you're looking for Easter baskets too. Baskets with fun things in them. Dylan, come over here and look. I see something sneaky by Mommy and Daddy's picture. Oh, yeah. You found a Parker egg? And a Dylan egg. Oh, another treat. Good job.